All right. So elementary school, the third place winner. In the elementary school class, mashallah, a total count of 169 donations, mashallah, goes to kindergarten boys, Sister Safiya. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Thank you. Second place in the elementary school goes to fourth grade girls, Sister Ambar Qayyum, mashallah, tabarakallah. Allahu Akbar. And the first place winner for the elementary school. We can move on, inshallah. Fifth grade boys, Sister Yasmin. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allah. Great job, everybody. Now we will move on to middle school if we are quiet. In the middle school, third place winner is seventh grade girls, the class of Sister Tasneem. 268 donations for an average of $239, mashallah. Second place winner in the middle school goes to the fifth school girls, Sister Fatima's class, Allahu Akbar. And the first place in the middle school for a total amount of $12,000 goes to the fifth school boys class, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. And now we move on to the high school. Thank you. Third place winner in the high school. Third place winner in the high school. MashaAllah. All of these high school classes raised in the 5 figures, MashaAllah. Third place winner is the 9th grade girls, Sister Naima's class. Second place winner, mashallah, also in the 5 figures, mashallah, the 11th grade girls class with Sister Fatima, and the first place winner, the one and only, the 12th grade boys class with Sister Shabana. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now, that being said, brothers and sisters, one last word. Do you see how when we work together as a group, as a jama'ah, as a community, wonderful things happen? If I was to ask one of you to raise $115,000, that would be very challenging. But now when you got together, when you worked together, and you did it for Allah, and you worked again not as just individuals doing their own thing, but you worked as a team, historic things happen. And beloved hearts, that's the lesson that I hope we can all take with us. When we work in a community and you are part of a community, this school, where you are right now, the way you are, this is historic. This is wonderful, this is amazing, and it happened when people worked together as a community. So beloved hearts, stay together. Stick together for the sake of Allah as a community. And all of you can do wonderful things. Today, we announced that you raised $115,000. If you keep working hard, I wouldn't put it beyond all of you and those who will come after you, who you will inspire, that you can raise $10 million for the sake of Allah. When you work together, you can do wonderful things, inshallah, for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. Thank you all. Shh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan. Please stand up and pray.